Shoko Utando sent a strong message to Teminkosi Tabete. She is tired of being used by him to gain fame. Anyway, guys, let's get to story today. No, the rest of the house is Samani Pizzo. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thanks for joining me. So don't forget to subscribe it, to like it, comment. Happy Thursday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. I don't know what is going on with Tando. So this is the message Utando wrote to Teminkosi Tabete. So I'm gonna read it, guys. I'm not good in Zulu, but I'm gonna try my best. So Utando went on to say, Dear Baba, angilele ngoba kumele ngihlangane nawe for shooting. Ngiyazibuza ukuthi kumele ngihleke ngoba kumele ngiyenzele abantu ukuthi bazothi angikuthandi. Ngagcina nini ukukubona the time ngishuta nawe long time ago. Imali impanda yesono. Uzodla imali ngami bese uyahamba futhi. Ucede ungangiphi ngisho no 10 rand. Uyoyidla nezingane zakho no wife wakho. Bahamba baka TV long time ago kwaphela. Sengizokubona ngoba sebebuyile emva kwesikhathi esingakanani. Bazohamba futhi kuphele. Kulungile. Angikufiseli okubi kodwa okwenza kimi ungakwenzi kungani zakho ozithandayo. Angiqhubeke ngibe umuntu omubi njalo ngoba ngidlala ngawe. Lawa amazwi ami okuqina ngoba uthando ubukisa ngubaba wakhe futhi ngeke ngisazichaza. That is a message from Tando to Tembinkosi Tabete, her father. I don't know what is going on there, guys, but there's one thing with Tando she did mention on the reality show is that every time whenever they are shooting the reality show, that's when she will get an opportunity to see her father. Maybe she was angry, decided to write this message. And under the comment section, a lot of people are agreeing with her to say that we are also experiencing the same thing. Some of us haven't seen our father after 5 years, 6 years. They only come whenever there's something. Maybe there's a graduation, when we call them that we got a job. So you are not the same who's going through this situation. We are all going through similar situation. Is the problem with the difference between you and I is that you are a celebrity and everybody knows what is going on. Anyway, guys, tell me in the comment section, what do you think about this? Do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Thursday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.